Hi, I'm Becky.
And I'm Jen.
From Air Frying Foodie. And today we're going to talk about comparing, we get asked all the time, which is better, parchment paper or silicone liners?
So one of the reasons why Becky and I are in two different locations is because we live in two different locations. I'm in Louisiana, and you might be able to tell because of that crazy accent. And she lives in Arizona. So Becky's got the parchment paper, I've got the silicone liner. We both have the same air fryer. So we are going to make burgers in the air fryer, and then we're going to start comparing. Taste any different? Of course, that's going to be her having parchment paper, me having silicone, and then we're going to compare cleanup.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, here, she's about to preheat, but she's not going to preheat with the parchment paper in her air fryer.
Hey Jen, why don't I want to preheat my air fryer with the parchment paper in it?
Well, it depends on if you want to burn your kitchen down or not. Just kidding. Just kidding. But yeah, you don't want to ever preheat with your parchment paper in there because it's just going to fly up in the fan.
So let's compare the cost of parchment paper versus silicone. So 120 sheets are about $10.
And two of these, because you get two in a package, is about $10.
And I think you can get those in different colors, which is a nice feature because then you can use them for different foods. So if you're using a baked good, you can use blue ones, or if you're doing meat, you can use a red one, which is nice.
So let's make sure, because we got to make this like an even experiment here.
I put it in at 380 for 3 minutes to preheat.
Okay, that's what I did too.
All right, so our air fryers have preheated and they're ready to go. So very carefully, because now they're hot, we're gonna put our parchment paper liner.
We're gonna do 4 burgers, right? You're gonna do all 4?
Yeah, and we're both using the dual blaze 6.8 quart air fryer. So, mine are in there.
Mine on top of silicone. All right, you ready?
Yep.
So let's do 380 for 6 minutes, flip, and then we'll do 380 for 5 minutes.
And make sure you get perfectly cooked burgers or chicken or steak every time. Internally, have one of these handy dandy things. These are only like $7 or $8. This is probably the #1 tool for air fryer users that I would recommend.
Absolutely, yeah, because everything, from seafood to, your meats, chicken, I mean, like, I use that quite often. So I would definitely say that's probably one of the most important things.
You can use it for baked goods too. Okay.
That's our cookbook. Air fryer all day.
Check that out.
Look at that. Teriyaki bison burger.
Which,
we made all those cookies and desserts.
I can hear sizzling in the air fryer.
Yeah, mine too. Mine are. Okay, so this is after the first half. So we're going to go ahead and get these flipped. They smell really good. All right, and then I'm going to pop mine back in. All right, so 380 for 5 more minutes.
You probably cut out before you even download it. So that way you're not downloading such a file into whatever program you use to edit. And that takes a lot of memory.
Yeah.
Did you know you could also air fry these straight from frozen? Just add a couple extra more minutes. Don't even have to thaw them.
We don't get to shoot videos together, so you'll end up seeing a lot of videos on our channel to where she's doing something or I'm doing something. But every once in a while, you'll see us do something like this.
My normal accent. It's funny because I was in Ireland one time and somebody came up next to me and they're like, "You have the most amazing accent. Are you from Australia?" And I'm like, "What?" I'm from like one of the places in the world that has no accent. We don't have any words that we say with any sounds. Okay. They smell really good too.
Yes. Burgers are done. This is my leftover.
Okay, mine's pretty greasy in there. All I have to do is take it out and throw it away.
Yeah, so because mine is reusable, I'm gonna have to take mine out and wash it. I'm gonna have to clean it. So I guess at the end of the day, what do you think? Which one of these is better?
I mean, I still have to rinse out the air fryer basket, but I can tell you I'm not gonna have to scrub anything for sure. And I'll have it clean in 30 seconds.
Yeah. So with mine, I'm gonna have to do the light cleaning of the basket like you are, but I'm then also gonna have to wash my silicone piece that they were cooking on, which I'll probably have to put a little bit of elbow grease in, not a whole lot. I guess at the end of the day, parchment paper may have won out.
On these. And I'll tell you, if you're using something cheesy or baking, because I do that more, and you have something that's got butter or like a sugary coating, that sugary stuff can crystallize when you're air frying it, and these are so much easier.
Yeah, I think we got our answer today. Parchment paper.
They both work though, so it's a personal preference.
Yeah,
personal preference.
Yeah, works well. Thanks for joining us as we figured out which one was better. I think they both work equally well. However, as far as cleanup goes, parchment paper is going to win because you just pick it up and toss it. I'm still going to have to clean my silicone liner and do a light cleaning on my basket, where she's just going to have to do a light cleaning on her basket and she's just going to toss that parchment paper away. So it looks like at the end of the day, parchment paper is going to win when it comes to which one of these you might want to use in the air fryer. However, cooking wise, they're both amazing.
Follow us on YouTube and subscribe so that we can show you more fun videos and tips and tricks just like this one.